Hi and welcome to Club Erie. Having a little rain today here. Pretty rare, but it happens. Today we're going to show you how to put a valve stem in a tire. And we happen to have wheelbarrow tires because a friend of mine brought a couple wheelbarrow tires over and had a broken valve stem. So we're going to get these going for him. I have this kit here. I'm not affiliated with this company or anything, but it works. It's a kit that works pretty good. It's cheap. Directions tells you how to do it. Anybody could do it, but we're going to make a video for you anyways. So you got to get the old valve stem out. Take that little hook tool, put it in there, and you basically just rip that valve stem right out of there. Typically you don't really care if you break it or whatever because it's an old valve stem. Then you take this other tool. It's threaded to fit the new valve stem. You go ahead and screw it on there. You grab the insertion tool, and all this is in the directions, just kind of showing you in case you get a little confused. We put a little Vaseline on there. Any kind of lubricant will work just fine. You stick it in the hole and you basically give it a pound, and it pushes the stem all the way in there, and then you pull it back out and seat it as he just did. You can see that it's seated in there nicely now. Sometimes when you go to fill these things up, the bead is off, so you might have to work it a little bit or press it. There's a bunch of videos out there about getting a bead on the tire. These little tires usually are no problem at all. Sometimes you might wrap a ratchet strap around it and squeeze the whole tire. But yeah, there's a bunch of videos out there about getting a tire on the bead. But that's it. That's your valve stem video. I hope you liked the video. Hit like button. We'll see you on the next one.